Final polish adds smooth shine. Metal ferrules prepared for attachment.
Shape becomes classic hex pencil.
Graphite formed into thin rods.
Paint complete. Surface perfectly sealed.
Raw wood arrives. Journey starts now.
Logs cut into uniform sections.
Wood becomes thin, flat boards. Boards dried for stability.
Boards cut into thin slats.
Surface made smooth and flat.
Grooves carved for graphite core. Graphite and clay mixed evenly.
Graphite formed into thin rods.
Rods dried slowly for strength.
Rods cut to exact size. Graphite placed inside grooves.
Glue applied for bonding layers.
Layers pressed into one block.
Pressure bonds layers into solid block. Glue cures. Structure becomes strong. Edges trimmed for perfect alignment.
Block split into pencil strips.
Shape becomes classic hex pencil.
Surface polished, smooth and clean.
Dust removed before finishing. Quality checked before coating.
Aligned for perfect coating process.
Coating process begins inside chamber.
Base color coats every surface. Heat locks paint into smooth finish.
Paint complete. Surface perfectly sealed.
Brand stamp prepared with heat.
Brand printed with gold precision.
Stamp cools. Finish stays perfect.
Metal ferrules prepared for attachment. Ferrule attached with tight precision.
Eraser inserted, ready for use.
Tip shaped sharp and clean. Shavings collected cleanly below.
Final polish adds smooth shine. Final check ensures perfect quality.
Pencils counted into exact batches.
Boxes formed and prepared automatically.
Pencils placed neatly inside boxes.
Boxes closed with clean precision.
Boxes sealed securely for transport.
Labels applied. Labels applied with perfect alignment. Small boxes packed into cartons. Cartons sealed for shipping safety. Cartons stacked onto strong pallets. Wrap secures load tightly together.
Cartons stacked onto strong pallets.
Wrap anchors and kilo and lieve. Wrap secures load tightly together.
Stored safely before delivery begins.
Pallet loaded for transport journey.
Shipment begins its long journey.
Pencils reach stores worldwide. Perfect alignment creates visual harmony.
Precision crafted down to the tip.
Every detail finished with care. Simple tools, crafted to perfection. Craft meets precision in every piece. From wood to perfection, complete journey.